Okay, welcome back. This is all names from Jim. Wood Mizer LT35. We got the key box torn up here. We're going to grease these hydraulic settings for the up and down, reverse and forwards. Hydraulic settings for the up and down and the reverse and forwards. So the ideal thing is to get you something that will just put a dab of grease right on that right there. And what you want is something beside your finger. So we're going to try this Allen wrench. And you just need not even that much. That much will probably do the whole sawmill. Not the whole sawmill, but every switch. If I can keep it on there. Alright. Just put a little touch of grease on down there. While they're in that position. And then these. You probably should wipe these off before you do all this too, but they're pretty clean. I mean, they're not clean, obviously, but the area that's touching is pretty clean. The sawdust wipes right off that area. Now this one, right here, is the one that's hard to get. Because you got to get down in between these. That's why you need something. I saw somebody even doing it with a Q-tip. It might absorb a little bit too much more grease than I want, but an Allen wrench is probably not it. Maybe a toothpick would be good. And that's all the grease you need. Very, very little grease. And I think it's I honestly can't remember what it is. And this is supposed to have a sticky thing on the back of it. It doesn't. Mine just sits right down in here. But that's supposed to be like an every 100-hour grease, probably.